Did you know you can use your current home to fund your next property purchase? Today, I'll explain how you can leverage your home equity to buy a second property, whether it's an investment, a vacation home, or a new primary residence. There are three primary ways to tap into your home's equity. There's a home equity loan, which means you're borrowing a lump sum against your home's value at a fixed interest rate. There's HELOCs, or home equity line of credit. This option works like a credit card, giving you flexible access to funds as needed. And then there's cash out refis. Replace your existing mortgage with a larger one and take the difference in cash. Each option has its pros and cons, and a home equity loan offers predictable payments, while HELOC gives you flexibility but with a variable rate. A cash out refi can sometimes lower your overall interest rate, though it resets your mortgage term. Using your home's equity is a powerful way to invest in another property, but it's important to understand the risk and repayment terms. I'm here to help you evaluate your financial situation and choose the best strategy for you. So for personalized advice, give me a call today at 919-740-0379. Make it a great day.